Tahajjud is easy, fasting easy, Hajj easy, Umrah easy. But the hold of tongue, very, 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 very difficult. But if we hold it, he will hold all of Shariat of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Only one advice, one hadith from 1 million hadith, only one hadith. If we act upon, we will hold whole Shariat of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One sweet sentence is more sweeter than honey of whole of the world. You can buy everyone by your sweet tongue. Everyone. By bitter sentence, you can lose everything. When I was college, I was very fluent. Writing and speaking was very good. When I went to madrasa, first I went, my one friend, he took me for 3 days. And I went due to his pressure, not to inspire from Tabligh, but only he was my friend from school. So he pressurized me, go with me 3 days. From 3 days, I jumped 4 months. 4 months, yeah. I was going to be a doctor, so I left it. My father kicked me out from house. He said, if you want to become Maulvi, get out from my house. He was a big landlord. Get out from my house. It is in 72. In 71, I complete my 4 months, and then I took my bag and I went to Raymond and start my Islamic studies. Environment. So, before going in Tabligh and madrasa, I was singer from primary. I was in 4th class, about 8 years old. I started singing.